Shocking feud between Jamaican TikTokers 1Bams and Rojay official unfolds online. Before we get into it, take the time to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any updates, and remember to find and visit 876newsja.com on Google for the latest video updates that can't be shown on this platform. Now let's get right into it. A heated feud between Jamaican TikTok stars 1Bams and Rojay official escalates with accusations, leaked videos, and fan debates over social media. Drama unfolds between Jamaican TikTokers. Two Jamaican TikTok stars, 1Bams and Rojay official, are at the center of a dramatic online feud that's grabbing the attention of fans worldwide. This once friendly rivalry erupted after a controversial live match, quickly evolving into a public spectacle with personal accusations, video leaks, and increasingly heated exchanges. Their story has become a significant talking point on TikTok and other platforms, captivating fans and sparking debates about social media, privacy, and respect. How it all began. The conflict started innocently enough. During a routine TikTok live match, Rojay official, a popular influencer who identifies as straight, unintentionally joined 1Bam's session. Upon realizing 1Bams is gay, Rojay quickly exited, allegedly leaving behind comments that many deemed offensive and disrespectful. What followed was a series of video responses from both parties, with each sharing their side of the story while calling out the other. The interaction quickly gained momentum online, and both influencers found themselves at the center of a growing controversy. The accusations and alleged revelations. Matters escalated further when 1Bams claimed to have received insider information from a transgender friend who had allegedly been in contact with Rojay. This friend reportedly disclosed that she once paid Rojay for private videos and even offered to share one such video with 1Bams. These allegations shocked fans and fueled further speculation about Rojay's personal life and character. 1Bams, in a weekend live stream, hinted at releasing videos that might expose Rojay. When Rojay joined the session and dared 1Bams to make the videos public, the stakes rose. Shortly afterwards, a video leaked in a private WhatsApp group and quickly spread across platforms. Rojay's response and video clarification. Reacting to the viral video, Rojay clarified that the footage showed a private moment between him and his ex-girlfriend. He also expressed disappointment over the invasion of his privacy. To add complexity to the narrative, Rojay's ex-girlfriend came forward, refuting Rojay's claims and stating that the video had nothing to do with her, which cast doubt on Rojay's statements and further complicated the situation. This back and forth has led to divided opinions among fans. Some view Rojay as a victim of public scrutiny, while others believe 1Bams had every right to respond as he did, given Rojay's initial disrespect. The issue has also brought up larger conversations on sexuality, privacy rights, and online conduct. The growing impact of social media feuds. As the drama unfolds, it's becoming a cautionary tale about the power and pitfalls of social media. Minor disputes can rapidly escalate in public forums, leading to long-lasting consequences for the influencers involved. For fans of 1Bams and Rojay, this saga serves as entertainment and a reminder of the blurred lines between public persona and private life. Will the two reconcile, or will this feud continue to dominate Jamaican TikTok? Only time will tell.